Welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to make a text look like a glass. First, I have to open an image in Photoshop, then, write your text. Duplicate the image, by pressing on Command and J keys on Mac, and Ctrl J on your PC. Make sure, the image you have duplicated, is on top of the text layer. Press on the Alt key, and move the cursor between the image and text layer, until you see an arrow, and left click with your mouse. Double click on the text layer, to open the layer style dialog, make sure the preview square on the right is selected. You can add shadows as you like. Click on Bobble and Emboss, and follow my parameter. You can change this as you like. Click on OK, to save the changes. Select the Move tool, and uncheck the Auto Select, on the top. Now you can drag, and change the position, and size of the text. Thank you, for watching.